In this video, we'll walk through how to create a support quote. Once you have built out the appropriate system and company information, you are ready for the main event, creating a support quote. To create a quote, you're going to want to go to Sales and then go to Quotes. Once there, you're going to click Add Quote. And for this one, we are going to do a support quote. So then I want to fill out the company information. So I'm going to choose from a drop-down list here. Then what you're going to see under contact information is that it's going to autofill based on the company that you've chosen. So in this case, I will go ahead and choose Jim Smith here. For quote type, we'll leave it as new. For quote status, we can go ahead and keep it in draft state for now. And then for coverage dates, I'm going to make this just a month-long coverage from April to the end of April. If you want to include a quote expiration date, you can also do that as well. So we'll have it for the 15th. And for billing location, again, I can choose that from the drop-down list. The sales rep has auto-populated based on who has been assigned to this particular company. And those are the basics you need to get started with creating your quote. So I'll scroll all the way to the bottom here and hit save. And that has created the basic starting point for our quote. In the next video, we will walk through how to add assets to a quote.